Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can make stickers look transparent on CapCut PCs. I'm just going to add this as a background. You can use any that you want. Now some stickers like this one is transparent and see-through, but what about some of them that are not see-through like this one? Well, some parts these are see-through. Okay, let's actually find one that isn't see-through. Like, let's see, which one do I want to select? Like these ones aren't transparent, but I want them to be like transparent. So just select your stickers that you want to make transparent. I'm just going to add a few first before I actually make them transparent. Here, and I'll add like one more. Should I add this one? Here. So I'm just going to select all of them at once, and then I'm just going to right click, select create compound clip. And to make them transparent, you're just going to go to blend mode, and you're just going to either select these like blend modes. I quite like the darken one. Or you can just go to normal and adjust the opacity. As you can see, it makes them transparent and you can see through them. But I quite like the linear burn one and the darken one, and it makes them look transparent. Voila, that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also, subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!